Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So our friends at gforce sent us their S10 electric scooter. We're really excited to get this unboxed. Before we get into it, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Hit that thumbs up button and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos. Also, if you're interested in a gforce S10 electric scooter, please use our affiliate link in the description below. It helps out the channel immensely. Alright, so let's get this thing unboxed. Alright, 2 straps there. And like our other videos, you just want to be careful of the staples here. There are quite a few on this box, so you just want to make sure you don't get stabbed by them. Doing that a couple times. As you can see, these are sticking out, so just be careful of those. Alright, there is the scooter. Toss the styrofoam off to the side. And they did a really good job packing that up. That's a really cool light. That's really neat. Alright. And I'm pretty sure that they advertise this as completely assembled. But as I look at it, you do have to put the handlebars on. But we'll do that. Put this out of the box. Alright. We have a kickstand here. There we go. Just over so that way it doesn't fall over. Alright, feels like we might have a couple accessories in there. I don't think anything else is in the box. Nope. Really cool thing to point out too. I really like that they did this, but gforce has a QR code on the box for you to get your user manual. So really simple to do. And even you can pause this video if you want to get that manual and put your phone up to it, and you can grab that user manual. All right. See what's in here for us. Now their toolkits are really cool. They give you this nice little branded satchel here. I'm just gonna make sure that that's folded out right, but they give you some nice tools, Allen wrenches, and some wrenches there. And this, I'm guessing, is your charger. Yes, sir. And they provide you with a 2 amp charger. Alright. Very nice packing job by gforce. I really like the products. Their ZM that we got before is a very nice bike. Alright, so there is your bracket for your handlebars. And is that a screen? Alright, so we're going to keep that plastic on there. So it looks like that's the screen. Get this other handlebar loose. Alright. Prop this bad boy up. So yes, so that looks like that is the screen, the display. That's really neat how they did that. I don't know why this isn't coming off. I want to like pull up. It's snagged on something here. Looks like our throttle here. Yeah. Snap this in place. Oh man. Alright, let's cut this. Let's cut this off. Scissors. You do not want to damage that throttle. There we go. Alright, so let's get these handlebars mounted. Make sure that's all lined up. Come out. Make sure you guys don't lose these screws. But I really like how they put the display and the bracket together. It's a really cool idea. And then this will go on here. I want these wires lined up in these holes. Alright. So that looks good. Make sure everything's lined up. Now what we'll do is we'll start putting our screws in. Screws are right underneath here. I also give you a assembly and setup video and a gforce user manual, which is also on the box. Remember that. Easier to get our... Oh, that's cool. There's a little safety line there. Do not exceed that safety line. Get our fingers in here. Ones in the back are a little harder to get to. So it seems like these ones, the back ones, don't go in as far. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Nice and tight. You don't need to do much more. This is a sweet looking scooter. I love how they did the built-in light in the front. Alright, and then we'll take this off here. Oh, that's really cool. That is sharp looking. You have a nice big deck to stand on. I really do like that. That is sharp. Guys, it's not that heavy either, which is nice. But guys, basically that's it for the unboxing. I'll take that plastic off. That's really nice. That's it for the unboxing and the assembly, which is basically just one step. I'm doing the handlebars, make sure that's all lined up. Alright guys, but thanks for tuning in. Until next time, peace out.